Snoring doesn't let you sleep? Bedrock Laser introduces NightLase, the innovative method to treat snoring and sleep apnea. NightLase is a laser treatment that expands the airways, reducing snoring without the need for surgical intervention. Patients can usually see results the same day and return to their daily routine immediately. There's no need for special downtime needed after treatment. Don't suffer another sleepless night and make your appointment today. Visit bedrocklaser.com and be on the way to better sleep.